What's up, guys? Next day here, man, and I just couldn't resist. I'm about to go test fit my wheels. Probably not even test fit them, probably just throw them on. Like, I want to get them powder coated, but I'm just so impatient, I just can't even wait. So let's go grab these wheels, roll them down, and try to get these wheels off, man. Let's see if we got the right stuff to do it. We're here at 777 Tire Shop. Pretty crazy because it's literally the only place in town that's got this tire size, and it happens to be literally right next door to the auction where we're gonna come today anyway. Gonna get these things mounted up. Hopefully they don't rub, because with those 35 series tires, they rub on the when I take it off, I'll show you, but they rub with the 35 series on there. So I actually brought the other back wheel too, but we're just gonna make sure that first one fits and doesn't rub, and it will be good to go. So yeah, guys, we're at the tire shop getting these tires mounted. We got brand new 295, 30, 22. About to get these things mounted up. Just like that, he got the old tire off, easy as can be. Oh, it's a 22 by 10. I didn't even know it was 10. I thought it was 10.5, so that's good to know. Yeah, it kind of looks good. Oh yeah, it looks like it might be rubbing a little bit. Can't really reach, it's kind of tight. Now guys, we got the wheel mounted on here. However, it still looks like it's rubbing just a little bit, if anything. I don't know, we might need a 275, I don't know. Came to Vegas Audio and Customs. They seem to be, I test fitted the rear wheel. However, it was rubbing up a little bit, so I gotta get a smaller series tire, and I'll show you guys right now. All right, next stop, we're trying a smaller tire, 265, 30, 22. And this one should work. Let's get that swapped out and try again. So here it is, guys. I did throw the rims on the car. This thing is looking super beast, dog. Whew, just look how that thing look. And I ain't even washed it yet, so it's gonna shine up even better in the daytime. But man, what y'all think about the Camaro on them Forgiatos? Y'all know I have to do it. Feel me? I've been up top for a while. What's up, guys? Next day here, man. We about to get this thing all cleaned up and shined up finally. You know, when you get a new car, man, and you just clean it, it makes it feels like yours. So we about to go clean this thing out, clean it up, get some Armor All on these tires, get some detail spray real quick from Walmart. AutoZone isn't open yet, so we're gonna do that, head to the car wash, and see how clean and good looking we can get this thing, man. McGuire's Quick Detailer, back on the road. It's funny, I came here and broke down in my Camaro. What's up, man? Like it or what? Nah, you don't like it? You don't like the front end, man? Remember when I came in with the Buick and you was like, man, this your new car? Yeah. Yeah, you gotta tell them how I came in. You was like, man, you was disappointed coming from the old Camaro.
I'm disappointed in this.
You disappointed?
You see the front end, right? It looks like a Chevy Cruze.
A Chevy Cruze?
No,
fucking dying. Oh man, first wash in the new Camaro, dog. And I know some of you guys are gonna be like, man, why are you taking it through the car wash, bro? It's gonna mess up the paint. Bro, I done had plenty of candy paints and like just painted cars in general that, you feel me, I done got painted, customized, painted, and nothing ever happened. So, you feel me, that mostly is a myth, depending on where you go. I mean, I'm sure some machines aren't as good as this one, but this is a pretty good machine. So we're riding through this thing and let's see how clean it comes out. You know, ain't no water gonna come in on this side like the Buick today, man. You feel me? We got the different color lights, man. What mood y'all feeling? Hold up, let's switch the menu. What mood y'all feeling? Y'all feeling blue, man? Is you feeling blue, dog? Because if you feeling blue, I can get you some blue, man. Or if you're feeling red, I'll give you some red. You know? I'll give you some red. Or if you're feeling two-tone, man, what you want to do? You want to feel purple and blue, dog? Man, let me get you right, dog. Feel me two-toning it up. So, alrighty, guys. We got her pretty much all washed up and detailed nicely. We just got to get the wheels balanced because anything like over 60, you know, these are brand new tires, so they're not balanced yet. So we came to Goodyear to get a nice balance on these things. And after this, we should be done until we get our, go to LA and get our splitter and our side skirts for this thing just to beef it up a little bit. But I'm digging it, man. I'm liking the wheels. What y'all think about it, man? Let me know what you think about the wheels in the comments below, man. I'm loving it right now. That thing look good with somebody else driving that Joan, boy. That motherfucker wet. Ooh. Yeah, that thing hard. Ooh. Okay. That's clean, dog. Ooh, y'all don't understand how hard this thing look. Like I haven't even seen it driving. Alrighty, guys, so we got the wheels all on, got these bad boys balanced. The front one, which was this side, which I felt the worst, is actually came out to be pretty decent now, and hopefully it runs a little bit smoother. I'm pretty sure it should. You guys see on the tires, them brand new tires right there. Brand new tires, sticker still on them. Feel me? Peep this side. Alrighty, guys, we got our tires balanced, and it's time to do the dash. Time to do the dash, dog. About to throw this thing in track mode. You feel me? You feel me? Boo said boo around this motherfucker, man. I'll throw this bitch in track mode. It's a little bit better. Just a little bit, though. Alrighty, guys, and here it is, man. Wheels are kind of dirty because I've been doing a dash, but man, what y'all think about it, man? Them daddios look so nice on this joint. These like tail lights just make this thing flow that much better. Definitely, I don't know if I want the mirror tint or the all black tint. I usually go all black tint, but I want to try something different this go around. And no, I'm not making this car pink or nothing like that, guys. Just wanted something subtle, something nice and clean. You know, I already did the crazy color, so I don't know what y'all think about it, man. I kind of like the wheels a lot. I had to get all 4 new tires, unfortunately, but fortunately we got all new tires, so that's a plus about that. But let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. And it does ride super smooth, no issues or nothing like that. And guys, I just watched this bad boy, man, and this thing is squatting, dog. Sheesh. That's crazy. That thing look good, man. What y'all think, man? That thing is squatting on them things, man. Sheesh. The lights just tie it all in. I swear I love the back end on this new car. So, alrighty, guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. We pulled up to a few auctions, man. We threw the rims on the car, got them balanced, got the new tires, man. This thing is running like a champ. I'm loving it, man. So if you guys want more content, comment below and let me know what you want to see. Until next time, guys, I appreciate you tuning in. Peace.